Hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial I will show you how to set up a Minecraft server for free in your PC. So first of all guys, I will need you to go ahead and open any kind of browser and then go to the URL section and search for Aternos. Now we go to this server, which is aternos.org, and from here let me just join this one, and from here all we need to do is click on play and then sign up or sign in with Google. So let's sign in with a Google account. Here we go. And now we can click here and create a server. So let's create a server. And basically guys, this is for free, like literally free. Now here, this is the server that we have created. You can go here to change anything in it. For example, we can change here the name. Here we can change this message. We can even change that later. So let's click on create. And now this is the server. Let me just go ahead and close ad blocker. So here we go. And now this is the server. In order for you to do anything, you can just click here to make it start. If you want to like install a software or like configure a server, you can go here. You can change anything in the server, game mode, slot, whitelist, etc. Everything through this menu over here. Let's go to the again here. Let's go back. Let's go back. Here you can change the version of the game. So here you can check whatever version you want from 1.1 to the latest version possible, and basically you can even make it possible for correct users to join or not. And after you choose everything, you just have to go here, click on start, I accept, and then you need to do accept that once more. And then when your server is going to start or when going to launch, you will have a notification. So I highly suggest you guys to allow this notification, because if nobody actually joined the server will be closed. So yeah guys, that's how you can set up your Minecraft server for free. Thank you a lot for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.